Hey, what's going on, guys? So today's video, we got lots and lots of Zippos. So this is the current collection minus the ones I'm actually going to be keeping. So a lot of people like seeing collection videos. You know, obviously, like if you like something, you want to see a bunch of it at once, right? So people are always curious, you know, how many Zippos do you have? What kind do you have? I just want to see them all together. Well, here it is, almost. So this is also a sale video, not here, but elsewhere. If you're interested, you can always hit me up on Instagram. I'm not selling it here on YouTube at all, so no comments are going to be, replied back to for that kind of stuff. But again, you can hit me up on Instagram if you're interested. There are over 150 lighters here. I didn't count. I stopped at 150. There's well over 150 actual lighters. Then there's additional things like these cases are empty here. I did not count those as lighters. I think this chunk here is brand new sealed. These all have the, sticker still on it, like literally never even opened. There's a ton here that are brand new that there's no sticker, but the inserts are brand new. They were never used. And then there's a bunch that are used. So it's a whole, variety of Zippos. Everything that you see on the table is included in the lot. And I'm looking for 1,800, which across the board makes it about 12 bucks a lighter. Well, literally $12 a lighter, and then with a bunch of bonus stuff. So anything that's not a lighter is free. The case, you get in the case here as well, the display case. It's got a bunch of pinholes. I used to have a bunch of pins on there, but that works totally fine. I got the key for it. And even though, some of these lighters might be worth 15 bucks, some are worth $100, some are worth $150. So I think it's a screaming deal for what it is. But I'll give you kind of close up of everything so you can see it. It is also going to include the completely customized mouth Zippo. All right, which is super, super cool, very unique. All right, I have a whole video on that. Plus, it's going to include, I think these are $70 each, the TFGs. All right, they're leather coated, the black and red, which has the matching, somewhere, is it here? Oh, it is here. So this has the matching leather sheath for it. All right. So yeah, those are 70 each. So do the math. You know what I mean? Got some old school, kind of 90s stuff. These are all 90s stuff. The oldest here might be, this is more the older section. I don't know offhand, maybe the 50s, I think is the oldest. Here's more of some of the plain ones. So let me do like a scan here. This is the World War II, set of 4 that are here. They're not perfect, but it comes with a display and everything. So let me kind of scan and show you. Some Zippo lights, obviously they don't work because the batteries are old, but you could get them working with 4A batteries. Tons of Flints, those little covers that are on the bottom I did a video on. This one is the the fire starter. It's missing a couple of the, fire starting pieces in there, but that's just for the fire starting kit. Their little multi-tool I did a video on. A Zippo Blue. All right, $12. Right, not even, actually this one's free. Everything else is $12. These 4 are not Zippo branded. All right, so they're just random brands, but let me give you a slow pan so you guys can kind of see everything here. There's a belt buckle there, an original Zippo knife. Again, it's just super cool stuff. It's just time to thin the herd, but really I just need the money. I'd love to keep all of them, but there's bills that need to be paid. Zippo case, knife art, Browse blades. We got some cool, gun stuff. All right, some scrimshaws. Really, really cool Zippos here. In the future, I'll probably show what I ended up keeping. It's very difficult. When I went through everything and I wanted to figure out my keep pile, it was, I went back and forth like a million times because I was keeping too much stuff. I needed to actually sell, a lot of them, you know what I mean? I had half of them, like, I'm just going to keep them all. And then I can't, so. Anyway, I just want to share this for people who want to see the actual collection. This is most of it. There's always going to be, Zippos have sentimental value that I just will never get rid of no matter what. And like I said, maybe I'll touch upon that in the future, show you another video. But again, this is everything that's going to be available together. I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, dude, I don't want the whole thing, but I just want that. Or can I just get that or just that? No, unfortunately, I'm not going to piece it out. It just takes too much time. So for now, one lucky person is going to get a screaming deal for all of this. They'll all be carefully packaged and sent to one person. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments section. Do you collect Zippos? Even if you don't collect them, do you have one in your EDC? Just curious. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.